Hello everyone, this is Mary Lavender. I'm an ACA 122 instructor at Forsyth Tech. And we're going to talk about residence halls, meal plans, and one cards at four-year schools today. And just bear with me as I navigate through all of this. Today we're going to go to UNC Wilmington, which is one of the schools that is part of the CAA agreement. All schools are going to have a website about their residence life. It's generally what it's called. It's going to be a separate application than your application to go to college. I mean, you have to tell them you want to be in a residence hall, and they'll send you a lot of information about this. You'll apply for it, and then you can pick from different residence halls. So if we go out here, there's different room rates and so forth for different of the choices here. Okay, some of these are what we call learning communities, and they have several learning communities, and this is where people that are majoring in what you're majoring in are living together and going, a lot of times the classes are in there, the actual building also. So you've got Hollywood East, which is going to be, for filmmakers, and then the STEM and so forth. A lot of opportunities here. There's also a lot of different meal plan options. And you have to take a look because you don't want to be stuck with extra stuff at the end of the semester. So sometimes they have, you just eat in the meal, you just eat in the dining halls, or they have the options where you go to the food court and so forth. And they all cost differently. And if you're a commuter student, you can take advantage of it also. Now we're going to look at something, they call it Seahawk Bucks on their one card. Most all, in fact, if not all of the four-year schools that are part of the CAA agreement have one cards, which is your ID card. It is also programmed to go into a dormitory, to certain buildings. You even use it to pay for printing. But you can use it at the bookstore. Your meal plan is going to be added on there. And once again, you can get this if you're a commuter student, and that's really important because then you wouldn't have to carry cash. And you would just have to read about the different parts of all of this. I know I recently had a one card at Chapel Hill, and there was so much money on the one card designated for food and so much that was designated for printing or for supplies. And once again, you have to watch out how much money you put on this because you may not be in a refund situation. But I hope this helps and introduces you to some information about something you would see at a four-year school.